Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you guys how to change your Facebook phone number. Go to your Facebook app, click on it, and at the top right side click on your profile picture, then scroll down to settings and privacy. Click on it, then click on settings. Click on see more in account center. Scroll down and click on personal details. From here, click on contact info. Once you are here, you have two options. One, you either delete your former phone number or you add a new contact. The new contact can be your email address or your phone number. So now I will proceed to add new contacts. If you don't know how to delete your former number, I will drop a link on the video description on my former video that will tell you or that will show you how to delete a number. So now I will click on add new contacts and then I will choose add mobile number. So I will enter the number, and then I'll select my Facebook account. So I'm able to select my Facebook account here because I have my Instagram account linked to my Facebook and I'm changing just Facebook. So I will select my Facebook. But if you don't have your Instagram account linked to your Facebook, you don't have to bother about this option because it will automatically select your Facebook account. Now click on next. So from here, Facebook will send a WhatsApp message to the number that you want to change, your Facebook number to. And so what happened here is that Facebook sent a WhatsApp code to that number, to the new number I want to change to, and automatically verify it themselves. So you don't need to bother about the verification, it will be done automatically. Now click on close and your number has been added successfully. So guys, like I said, if you don't know how to delete your former number, I will drop a video link on the description where you get to watch how to delete your Facebook phone number. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe if it really helped you.